Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, sometime we want to save stories to archive. So in this video I will show you how to turn on option to save stories on archive. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Facebook application. So after this, here you can see three lines on the top right corner. So after here, click on setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, then click on setting. So after this, scroll down the page and find audience and visibility. So here you can see audience and visibility. So in audience and visibility, you can see stories option. So click on it. So after here you can see story archive. So click on it. So when you will click on it, here you can see save to archive option. So here you can see turn on your archive to save your stories automatically. So after they disappears, so only you can see your stories archive. So click on it and turn it on. So you can see in this way you can save stories to archive. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.